Hey, happy Wednesday. I just wanted to go live. This is Michelle coming from Phoenix, Arizona. As most of you guys already know by now, especially you can probably tell by my background, and it's so sunny out here that we have beautiful weather all the time. But I just wanted to go live regarding the webinar tonight. It is tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You definitely don't want to miss it. Hi, Chris. Thank you for tuning in. If you're just tuning in, please say hello. Let me know where you're tuning in from, and I'd be happy to know because, like I said, I'm in Arizona, and it's absolutely amazing. There's people that tune in all over the world, so I love to see exactly where, the everyone's from. So this webinar is going to be absolutely amazing tonight. Amanda Wray, the founder of Successful Solution Method, is going to go over exactly how the program works, how you make money online, especially posting on Facebook a couple of times a day. And posting on Facebook once a day, but engaging in the groups a few times a day. And she'll go over the whole process with you. And you'll get to hear testimonials from other members. So that's always nice. There's a lot of success stories about people making money online. I've had the pleasure of making $950 so far, and I started a little over a month ago. So I am an advocate, extreme advocate of this opportunity. For one, you get mentorship. You don't just get thrown to the fire. As far as this is the blueprint, figure it out, like a lot of marketing gigs out there or any kind of marketing that's going on. Hi Alex, thank you for tuning in. And so you don't just get thrown out there. So you have the opportunity to listen to webinars, attend trainings. There's documents that you can read. There's so much information and tools that you'll learn to properly market yourself online, which has been very successful for me. And for two, you'll also be able to earn while you learn. So we've paid out, I think it's now over $800,000 to 2,000 members, and it's only been in existence for around 6 months. So it's a fairly new program, but it's very successful. So Successful Solution Method does give back to its members and everyone that is involved, as long as you're doing your income producing activities, which she will go over tonight at the webinar, and you'll have a better idea of what that is. And also, what I've been able to do is start my YouTube channel based off of the information that I have learned as well. I've had a channel just for family and the post personal things, send the videos off to friends or whoever, but I've never had any kind of large marketing background. So starting this YouTube channel based off of the information that she has given me has definitely helped my confidence and my engagement online. So I'm still posting videos. And if you guys could please follow my YouTube as well, I greatly appreciate it. I love to get new subscribers, and this video will go on there later as well. So yes, please do attend the webinar. And it's only an hour, a little over an hour. You'll definitely enjoy it. You'll see a lot of members. It's great energy. You'll have a great time. We always do. Everybody is so positive and so supportive, and just being a part of the group has helped me in my personal life. That I'm a caregiver and a mother, so it's definitely helped me to be around the positivity, and it gives me a reason to, get up every day and look forward to doing something different than what I was doing before, especially during a pandemic. Mental health has really taken a toll. And, it's hard out here, especially for a lot of people being quarantined in the house. So if you're engaging on Facebook anyway, you might as well learn how to earn while you're engaging on Facebook. Because it was something that I was already doing and scrolling through posts and doing anyway in my spare time. So you might as well earn while you're learning how to properly market, get engagement online, and you earn money while doing it. So hi Charles, thank you for tuning in. Like I said, if you're just tuning in, please say hello and let me know where you're tuning in from. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're watching this later in the day, please put hashtag replay and let me know where you're tuning in from. And I appreciate the support and you all watching my videos. And like I said, happy Wednesday. I will see you at the webinar tonight. That is 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I will put it down in the comments. And have a great day. Thank you.